Today we're going to be making one of the most popular desserts, apple crumble. To begin with, I'm going to be using a nice crisp green apple. If you wish, you can also use a red apple instead. Crumble is a recipe which is generally made during Christmas, especially during winters. So it's a perfect time to have some hot dessert during the cold Christmas time. And this is also the season wherein you get really good apples in the market. We're ready with our apples. Let us move ahead. I'm going to be adding 3 large teaspoons of brown sugar. I have some cinnamon powder here which is grounded coarsely. And a bit of lemon juice. Once this is done, I mix everything. And at this point, we are going to be putting it into a baking tray or a baking dish. This goes in the oven for next 8 to 10 minutes at probably 180 degrees. Until the apples are getting cooked, let us make the crumble mixture. I am going to be using 1 cup of refined flour and 1 cup of butter. This is unsalted butter that I am using. Or is butter ko, I have kept it in the deep freezer for half an hour. It should be really hard. Let us start with it. This butter has to be chopped and I add the maida. In this I again add brown sugar, some more of cinnamon, pinch of salt. At one point, stop using the knife and actually start doing it with your fingers. You need to use just the tips of your fingers and keep on playing with the flour unless and until it gets a very sand kind of a texture. Crumble as a mixture or crumble as a dessert became hugely popular, especially during the Second World War in Britain. This was a time when there was a lot of rationing on many ingredients. So crumble became an economical option for pies. Now that the apple mixture is cooked and the crumble is ready as well, I am going to be using 2 strawberries here. I am using it only to give it a little tartiness to the crumble. Now we are going to be adding the crumble mixture on top of it. Do not press the crumble. We would want it to have a granular texture. And if you press it, there may not be a free flow of hot air in the entire dish. I have preheated the oven at 180 degrees. The entire dish goes in it for minimum 45 minutes.